Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Angela Serendpity Arts, where journals where we craft with the heart. I'm here today to say happy 4th of July. It's so hot today. My husband and I decide, my son is working, my husband and I decide to go out and eat. We ate, and the restaurant was next to Hobby Lobby, and he says, do you want to go in and see? And I says, okay, let's go. So I went there. So I want to share with you what I found. I'm not too much of a person. I've seen a lot of people hauling a lot of beads. I'm not a person who uses a lot of beads. I'm learning to do my charms and my stuff now, but I found a couple things. They have certain things that I'm doing now with my journals that you have seen by now, a couple of videos that I'm doing the bullet journal, my diary journal, and also I will do the scrapbooking, and I'm gonna start doing my 49 and Market album. So, but before I start to show you anything, Candice from Only One Life Creation was doing Destashes in her Etsy store, and she was getting rid of so I got a message, and she's giving things for a really nice price. So I bought this creative flip journal from Reverie. I think I paid $10 for it. It has here on the side a little envelope that you can put your stuff, and here is the book, and it's mixed media paper, and I was very happy because I'm trying to collect different sizes because I want to do this journal is 12 by 8 and 5/8. Pages are 11 and 3/8 by 8 with 5/16. You include string tie envelope and 48 pages. So I bought that. I had this watercolor pencils. She was getting she got them in there for, I don't know, it was $10 also, or something like that. I only have set number 1 that I bought in a Destash, I think, on a Hobby Lobby special. So I was able to find the other sets. So I already opened it. They're in perfect condition. This is set number 2. This is set number 3. Well, the first set has like the pink raspberry, the fire brick, rusty hinges, the black, the white, the walnut stain, villainous Polska speckled eggs, and like that. The third has tattered rose, candy apple, crackling campfire, wild honey, crushed olive, fade jean, shade lilac, hickory smoked. The second one has kitsch flamingo, mermaid lagoon, barn door, spice marmalade, antique linen, vintage photo, cracked pistachio. And the last one, it has saltwater taffy, festive berry, chip sapphire, evergreen bow, Victorian velvet, tea dye, ground espresso, Malone. So I wanted to buy these to have the whole set. I have used my first one. This one I used, and I love the way they perform. So I wanted to have that. and this was a Destash that Candice from Only One Life Creation is doing. I will put her channel below, and just in case you want to check that out. Things go fast. She was selling a lot of things like sprays, stamps, fabric, a lot of things. So that's the first thing I have. And then Hobby Lobby, I was very nice. I didn't go a lot. All their beads were 50% off. And I never seen these letters. You get 50 grams. I don't know how many is that. And they are probably half an inch. You can see them there. So they were 50% off, so I bought 2 boxes. They had it in silver, but I wanted it more in gold. I don't use that much silver. And then I think with my acrylic paints, if I want to change the color, I will change it. So I bought those. Those were in clearance. I found a couple of things in clearance. The other thing that was 50% off was the Master Touch. And I bought this. I paid $5 something for this. This is a mixed media 8x8. It has a really nice binding. And it has, you know, your little ribbon for you too. It's on, and it has, there you can see that is a good book. I like these books. So you get 72 pages as an 8x8, and it's 110 pound mixed media paper. And then I bought this one. This one I pay $4 and something. It's your own design. It's a 5.5 by 8.5. It is 110 pounds. Also the paper, 72 pages, 36 sheets. This one has 72 pages, but this one has 36 sheets. I don't know, it's confusing. So Master Touch was on sale, so I bought this one, and this one says design your own cover. So you can, this is very thick, so you can design your own cover, and I think it is a very nice quality, so I bought that for my collection. I will do a video of all the journals that I have. Okay, so the other thing I found was this random package of ephemera pack. It was $5.49. It was $2.74, and when I went to pay, I paid $1.74. I guess it was reduced even more. I know I have this, but you know, you always need ephemera, and it was Tim Holtz, so I don't know if they are all here, and that's why, because the little bit of Tim Holtz they had, nothing was on sale. I found, I forgot to, I have this nice little clip that is to put when I'm doing my pages. I found this Explorer. Most of the charms were gone. Are Be There Yet? Home Sweet Home, Motor Home. It has the little RVs, and we have a pictures when we went to with a friend in an RV. I can use this in my scrapbook page. It was $1.74. Then I bought this, was $1.72 from $6.49. This was $6.99. And this was $1.62. And this is for May. It's like a verdigris. It doesn't say. I just wanted this to, when I make my charms, I like this color. So it was $1.62. These are glass, and these ones are plastic, but the other beads are glass. This was $1.49, and I thought it would be nice if you do a sailing or something journal where you use glue, so you can use this. Like my husband liked this. I wish they had it more of this ones. This one's I don't know the price, the original price, because it's cover here. It's $6.49. I pay $1.62, but they remind me Alice in Wonderland. I wish I could have found any more, but this is the only one that I have left. They have other and certain things, but I don't use. And the other one that I found that it was pretty, it was this one, was $1.74. So that's my haul. It's a tiny haul. Like I say, I am buying things that I'm going to use now. I am not trying to just buy things because, or if I'm looking all collections that are not available anymore. But other than that, I'm trying to stay on budget. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you if you're a new subscriber. If you are new, welcome, welcome. I should have said that since the beginning. If you haven't subscribed, I hope you subscribe. If you're coming back, thank you very much. And also, we are so close to the 2,000 that I'm getting excited. Thank you, and I see you soon in another video. So take care, stay safe, and happy 4th of July.